here this place is full of fish. It's full of tarpons primarily, and that's Val who's going to film me catching the biggest tarpons in the world.
Enthusiastic as ever.
That's it. It goes here, but it's a bit more difficult to fish. Although there is a couple of tarpons over there. I don't know if you'll see them. They are on this spot here. This is my fly fishing rod. Now I'm using this fly here. You see this hook is it should be at least twice the size, and the fly should be twice the size. But I will try like.
Okay, now I'm going to follow Master Fisherman Extraordinaire to the bridge. Do. Oh! This was where Dom found massive tarpons yesterday. Almost caught, well, actually caught them, but then they wiggle themselves off the hook. Can't believe I'm roped into blooming film. Fish. Somebody fishing. Dominic fishing. Nice technique. Lovely technique there, Mr. Pizina. So, I'm going to move closer now to see where the hook has landed. Oh, there's the line. There's the line following the line. And there somewhere. Oh, didn't get that. So we'll stay here for a little while because he's going to, so we can see the technique. Reeling it in, and then he's going to do the old whiplash. Tell me when you're going to do the whiplash. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. Oh, and that technique, bit of whipping in there. Oh, further out. A little close to the left bank.
I am not sure that this
oh, hang on.
white fly is the right fly. Yesterday, all the bites I had, all the attacks were on the black fly. So I may revert to a black fly.
Oh, whipped it in again, whipped it in, whipped it out, and now slightly towards the right bank. Or yesterday evening saw a couple of mega tarpons and caught 3.
I did caught them.
He caught them. He did catch them.
They did uncaught themselves.
Although they uncaught themselves, unattached themselves.
Before they were in my bag.
Before he had time to reel them into his bag.
They are very fast, very powerful, and they jump very high. And when they jump, they jiggle like that, and then they unhook themselves. So,
okay,
bear with me.
We're just going to stop now while we move to the next spot. We shall follow the intrepid fisherman into the wild, surrounding Sol, Cayo, Guillermo. Oh my gosh, so this may not be as easy as we think, but he better catch a bloody fish, because in this beautiful rough land are these really small, I don't know what they are, but you can't even see them, and they are these small plants. Oh gosh, and they cling to your shoes and anything that you're wearing, and you don't see them but you feel them. Little spikes, little buds. So these are little fuckers.
Wait, I need to hold myself with you.
Right. Yep. See those little things? Oh my god. See those little things? Right.
They're really painful, those ones.
Right, these little things here. Those little things. They're like little flipping aliens.
That's all, there is no snakes in Cuba.
They just cling, and then you take them off and then they leave spikes in your clothes, your shoes, your skin. Taking them out, can't walk.
Oh, you're here. One come on it.
Oh, oh, oh.
Here we go.
Yes! Yes!
Shit, it's gonna look itself again.
Yeah. He's still there, there's two of them there. Look, there's loads of bubbles there. 3 lots of bubbles there.
He splashed through the floor. It's not very deep. Don't have a... Another one coming up.
Oh, 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 oh!
The try ones, they miss, they come back again. Then sometimes, like this one, you tell that when hooked, that's painful.
So, Dom has found a really good spot. They're obviously hiding out under here. Who comes back later?
Val loves fishing.
Prefer to eat.
Here we go.
Tree number 4. Well, gotta say, the little spots that he has to cast are pretty dense with vegetation. Oh, did you see that? Did you? Caught it! Caught it on camera! Lovely little fish just leapt out there.
This is what they do, you know, they jump and they unhook themselves.
Oh, so did you felt it biting?
I had it on my group, yeah.
So 2 bites, 1 leap. May have to change the hook. Someone's burning the back of my legs.
Oh shit!
Oh, gone again. Yes, yes we did. Yep. You should take it out and change the hook now.
Yeah, that's if I don't. Yeah.
So, 3rd bite. 1 leap. 3 escapes.
Oh, another attack. You see that attack?
No.
Oh. They seem to like my way fly now, but oh, what a cast.
Good cast. Do you see that right over to the other side? Oh.
Again, they don't stay hooked. I'm going to change my hook. So
Captain Hook is going to change his hook.
In the space of 3 minutes.
6 bites in 3 minutes. Captain Hook is going to change his hook.
So what I think is that this was an old fly actually that I put in there, and
the hook was broken. It reveals the hook was broken.
It was rusty.
It was an old fly.
I don't know, because normally in Europe I never use those flies, you see. Have a look.
Yeah, but this is Cuba, babes.
Yeah, but those are, you see, they're massive flies, so I never use them in a... So you see that? So I think I'm going to take this one.
Great big huge. Okay, so round 3. This is a fly that Tom has just taken out of the box.
You would be a tarpon. Wouldn't you eat that? No, not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the loop. Backwards, in the loop. Here, oops.
So through the loop.
Back in the loop.
Forward through.
Backwards.
Back through the same loop.
Okay. In the loop. Okay, now. In the loop. I have this, I don't have my glasses. I have this in the loop.
And then back through the loop, back through the new loop you've just created, and pull.
And you pull. This is very risky. I'm very risky. Yeah. I told you. Do again. Just to show you what we're going to be doing.
Okay, what to do? The correct way to
tie a fly like this.
Tie a fly onto your line, through the loop, and then back through the second loop that you've created, and pull.
That's it.
And there you have it.
See now this is nice. I hope you see that. Yeah.
Very nice. This apparently is what they see. Oh, there's a little fish following.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's not recording.
Huh?
Yeah, that's it. We have a catch. Coming in. Oh, he's in the corner there. Doesn't want to come through. He's fighting. Listen to him. He's trying to be a bit clever, so he's swum under the bushes. Steady. Can hear it fighting. Bring him in. There we go. Yay! Woohoo! There you go. Numero uno.
My first tarpon.
Yeah! Congratulations!
I don't know if they are...
Yep, it's recording. I was just checking.
That's a baby one. You see that these big mouths.
Wait. Oh gosh, yeah.
You see?
Flipping Nora.
That's a baby tarpon.
Oh!
We're going to put it back.
Congratulations!
Yo!
Yay!
First tarpon in a lifetime.
First top one ever for Dom. Ever.
That's the other way.
Brilliant.
Okay. My hands are really now.
I couldn't. Oh, you've got it. You caught it. Yep, capture number 2. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Slightly bigger than the last one, I think.
Bit bigger.
Oh, that's a nice size.
Beautiful fish.
No, stay where you are. Yeah, bigger than last one.
Maybe tarpon too.
Be funny if it was the same one.
Same big mouth.
Yep.
Back in the water.
Congratulations, numero 2.